Hello everyone, welcome back again. In this tutorial we are going to set background color on two different HTML elements. So quickly, let's get started. Example, we are going to set background color for two different elements in HTML. First, our H1, we have background color attribute. We have style attribute along with the background color property, and the value the same goes to P. P is going to have the style attribute along with the background color property with the value. Quickly, let's see how it works. In our former document, let's write style attribute in our P tag and give it background color along with the attribute, along with the value. In our H1, give it style background color red. Save it and see how it looks. Can you see? This is how it looks without it. Can you see how it looks? But when we add it on the P, see how it looks. And we are going to add another one on this one. Let's reload it and see how it looks. As you can see, this is how it works. I think we are done again. I will see you next time. Once again, my name is Anwar Akorede Ayofe. Have a great day. Thank you.